The University of San Francisco's Executive Education Program and its network of experts and academics prides itself on being able to provide best-in-class educational experiences, and this Corporate Innovation Certificate Program will help us do that. Our Corporate Innovation Certificate Program is a highly dynamic and energetic, really a transformative experience for participants. We meet with our clients and we customize each of the programs. We really tailor it based on their particular needs, their learning objectives, and the industry that they're in.
I was really impressed with the opportunity to work together to come up with a program that was specifically for us and would specifically meet our needs. And of course, we're better than San Francisco, which is, the epicenter of innovation and creativity and entrepreneurship.
The program itself is usually around 5 days and consists of company visits and lectures and networking and industry events, as well as workshops. They'll definitely broaden their knowledge and perspective of what makes companies in Silicon Valley so successful. However, what's really most remarkable is after they come, they usually leave with a different mindset.
One of the key learnings that our executives took away from the program was the design thinking, and it was a real game changer in our organisation. It really is also all about team building and team collaboration. So it was such a great opportunity for our people to grow and develop and be the best version of themselves.
We welcome students from all over the globe. They're usually mid-career professionals who are interested in wanting to continue to innovate within their current role, or perhaps they're up for a future role.
At the end of the program, every single person who attended said it was the best development program they had ever attended. And it was such good value that I have absolutely no doubt going back to their global businesses, the return on investment will be tenfold.